This video will teach you how to transform old shoes, old palms to new ones. Watch. Please subscribe, like, make sure you like. Also give me a subscribe, drop a comment. Watch till the end, you learn. Alright, so I got this from a customer requesting I change the whole top into a new one. So of course you have to create the floor, right? That's the insole. That's what I'm trying to do. So when you have this type of sole, as foreign sole as I may call it, you trace it out. Okay, trace it on a paper, then you take the measurement of the welt, the gauge, then transfer it to the paper and use your index finger and your pen tip to bring out the welt allowance to get your floor. Okay, once you do that, you now go back to your fiber, trace on the fiber, cut them out right and left, then you place on your maco, right, your faceless or your maco 4, right, depending on the maco you want to use. That will give you your floor or your insole, as you may call it. Here we have two sole, the insole and the outer sole, right? So the insole is what we use the fiber and the faceless or the maco to create. Okay, so after that, then you tag fiber to fiber, then you go for filing. You just file the edges to smooth it, then make sure while you're filing you don't put much pressure, just file gently and try it on the sole. Once it fits in fine, that's all. Then you go to your material of choice. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I know you love this and you're learning, so please subscribe, like this video and drop a comment. So you trace and give your allowance, your folding allowance, rub your gum all around for folding. Okay, allow for drying. You cut. After cutting, you fold. This is wrapping. Now there's a reason why you have to wrap downward before you now cover up. So if you want to know the reason, just ask why. Type why using the comment section. Type why in the comment section. I'll explain. Once you fold, apply pressure. Okay, same thing. After that, you go for scraping. Use the filing machine to scrape round. Now why are you scraping round? I'm sure you want to know why I'm scraping this. Just ask why, I'll tell you. So we are done with the insole creation. So I have to form the top pattern. So remember, the customer asked that I do the same thing, so I have to take the measurement of the former strap they use, which is what I have was 3 centimeters. So I still have to use the 3 centimeter for him. So I have to transfer the measurement to the paper, cut it out. The length is according to the size you're doing. So I transferred the pattern to my padding material. Now if you're tracing on the padding material, remember to use the main face, trace on the main face before you transfer it to the main material you want to use. Okay, I'm sure there's a reason for that. If you want to know, still ask why. Just ask why. Tell me why. What is the reason for tracing on padding material first? Just ask questions. Now I'm telling you guys to ask, because if I leave you, I know you will not ask and you will not know. So it's better you ask using your comment section, so I know, and I'll reply you directly. Okay, so you can see now I'm placing. both the main material and the padding material. Apply force using the mallet, then you cut along the line. From there, I try to apply the fancy, the logo. So I have my punch. So it's me punching this, my friend. Okay, so I tag my logo to the top. Some stitching. Some molding. This is molding. This is molding or lasting. Lasting is the process of molding your shoe into shape or into your size using the shoe last and the sole, the insole. Alright, so this is molding. Still molding. Remember, we are doing size. Guess what is the size? If you can guess right, I have something for you. I have a special video for you. Guess the size you're doing. Write it in the comment section. I have something special for you. Alright. So I'm using my glue to gum. Alright. Don't forget to subscribe. This is ABC Shoes on YouTube. We teach you everything you need to know about shoemaking. I'm sure you love this and my customer will be grateful. Thank you for watching.